Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to discover an amazing spice that could transform your wellness routine? Today, I'm diving into the incredible benefits of a tiny seed that's been used for centuries in traditional medicine. First up, this little powerhouse is packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from chronic diseases by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Imagine having a natural shield against illnesses right in your pantry. But wait, there's more. Studies have shown that this spice can help lower cholesterol levels, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Heart health is crucial, and incorporating this seed into your diet might just give you that extra edge. And if you're concerned about cancer, listen to this. Test tube studies suggest that our mystery spice has cancer-fighting properties. It's shown promise in inhibiting the growth of various cancer cells, including blood, breast, and pancreatic cancers. While more research is needed, these findings are super exciting. Now let's talk about bacteria. This spice has antibacterial properties and has been effective against certain bacteria, including the drug-resistant MRSA. That's right, it could help you fight off stubborn infections. And for those dealing with inflammation, good news. This spice has anti-inflammatory effects, which could benefit conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. Imagine easing your pain naturally. Okay, so what about the risks? While generally safe as a spice, supplements or oil of this seed may have some potential risks. Some people have experienced skin irritation, so always do a patch test before using it topically. Also, if you're on blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor first, as it might affect blood clotting. And if you're pregnant, it's best to be cautious and seek medical advice. Now, on to the fun part: how to incorporate this wonder spice into your routine. With its slightly bitter, earthy flavor, it complements various cuisines, especially Middle Eastern and South Asian dishes. You can toast and grind the seeds for use in curries, bread, or sprinkle them whole onto salads. Want to enjoy it raw? Mix the seeds with honey or water, or add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. The oil, often diluted, is used topically to promote hair growth, reduce inflammation, and address skin conditions. And for a more concentrated dose, you can find it in capsule or soft gel form. Remember, start with small amounts and observe your body's response. While this seed offers potential health benefits, it's essential to use it responsibly and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. So you might be wondering, what is this incredible spice? It's none other than kalonji, also known as black cumin. Don't overlook this tiny seed. It could be the next big thing in your health journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.